London in the early 17th century was a crowded, vibrant city filled with risk. Wooden houses pressed tightly together beneath a haze of smoke, while the River Thames served as the city's lifeline, carrying boats, goods, and people in constant motion. In 1666, the Great Fire consumed much of London, leaving ruin and loss, and clearing the way for a new city to rise from the ashes. Life along the River Thames in 17th century London was in constant motion. The river was not just a backdrop, but the city's lifeline, crowded with wooden boats and barges carrying goods, food, and people from every direction. Along the riverbanks, merchants bargained, sailors unloaded cargo, and the sounds of creaking wood mixed with water against the hulls. London Bridge, packed with houses and shops, loomed over the flow, linking the city while constricting the river below. The Thames sustained London, but it also revealed the noise, congestion, and fragile balance of a city growing faster than it could control. Architecture and daily life in London around 1600 were shaped by density and necessity. Most buildings were constructed from timber, with upper floors jutting outward over narrow streets, blocking light and air below. Houses stood pressed tightly together, creating neighborhoods that felt enclosed and crowded. At street level, everyday life unfolded without pause. Merchants sold their goods, families moved through narrow lanes, carts rattled over uneven ground, and taverns spilled noise into the open air. Privacy was rare, and the city was never truly quiet. This closeness created a strong sense of shared life, but it also made London vulnerable. Fire, disease, and hardship could spread quickly through streets built so tightly together, turning daily routines into constant risks. In London around 1600, disease was a constant and invisible threat. Crowded streets, poor sanitation, and close living quarters allowed illness to spread quickly and without warning. Outbreaks of plague could silence entire neighborhoods, turning busy streets into places of fear and uncertainty almost overnight. Medical knowledge was limited, and rumors often traveled faster than facts. Doors were sealed, warning marks appeared on houses, and families lived with the fear that a single cough could mean disaster. Daily life continued, but always under the shadow of sudden loss. Beyond disease, fire, hunger, and poverty added to the city's fragile balance. London, in 1600, was resilient, but survival required constant vigilance in a world where danger was never far away. In September 1666, disaster struck London with devastating speed. A small fire quickly spread through the tightly packed wooden buildings, driven by dry conditions and narrow streets. Within days, flames consumed large sections of the city, turning homes, churches, and markets into ash. As the fire raged, thousands of residents fled with whatever they could carry, many seeking refuge along the River Thames. Panic, confusion, and exhaustion filled the streets as the city burned unchecked, overwhelming any attempt to contain the blaze. When the fire finally died out, London was left in ruins. Yet from the destruction came change. The disaster reshaped the city, leading to new building practices, wider streets, and a determination to rebuild stronger than before. London, in the 17th century, was a city shaped by survival. Crowded streets, constant risk, and sudden disaster tested its people again and again. Yet each crisis, disease, fire, and loss forced the city to adapt. The Great Fire of 1666 did not erase London's story. It transformed it. From ashes and ruins came new ideas, stronger structures, and a city better prepared for the future. What remains is not only a rebuilt London, but a lasting reminder that modern cities are born from resilience as much as ambition.